That's on camera now.
Missed all the comments now, huh? Geez, I thought we were gonna have good comments, and they got bleeped out, everything got bleeped out. Oh well. Should have been here live to catch it all.
Yep. That's what I'm saying.
Missing all the good stuff.
Exactly my point.
You never get any work done.
We don't.
You already wasted 3/4 of your time here already.
Listening to you talk about stickers.
Data's very important. What do you care? You got a couple of them.
I do. I'm one of those suckers that buys them.
You am, do you?
Yeah.
I'll put them in your bill later.
Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna see them in there at the bottom of the list. They're snuck in there in the middle.
I don't sneak it in. I put it right out in front. We don't hide it around here. We're gonna screw you. We do it right up front. Or a videotape doing it. That way you know for sure. Come back and see it later. That way you know for sure. All right, these ones are screwed up on this one because they're not the same. So one's off, one's on. Well, they're both off. All right, so this head is different than this head. You're past my one bubble window, see? So you're allowed one line. We're at least about 2.5 lines.
Even without the light, it's hard to see that.
What are you doing out there?
Get a good angle so the viewers can see the bubble.
They're shooting at us out there.
Oh, I see. And there you go. You can see the bubble now.
Must be a new Mexican holiday out there.
Well, you know how we do it.
I get some extra fireworks left over from the last celebration.
I got some extra fireworks from Ontario.
Let's see. No, they get them right out of Mexico down here. You're too far north. All right, so now we get to reverse everything. First thing I do is reverse, change the cutter location here. Look how much easier that slides now. Okay, you make sure you're out far enough to do this. See, you're not quite out far enough.
So you adjust those again?
Yeah. Go one more. No more 6s, we're going to 7.
7's a good number.
I'll let you know if it's good or not. Yep, it's good. We can do the job. That makes it good. Alright. We're done with these two. Those are exhaust. We're moving up. Intakes.
Pretty much.
Lights on. Which size is the intake?
I don't know. We're going to find out right now.
Stock 930 or is it hot rod 950?
I'm going to shoot for 950.
Oh, you're going for the big boy stuff, huh? Oh, it's 947.
Hey, you round up. Okay.
Yeah, it's 950.
Close enough.
Okay, 950. We'll turn it 180 or 90 and see measured again. It's still 48. Well, it was 47. Now it's 48. Okay, it grew a thou. It's expanding from heat. Okay, this appears to be the front one. We're working on the rear. Why do you keep giving me the wrong one every time?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
I'm going to use the rear one. See, this one's marked rear. That's why the two pilots are different, because their holes are different. This head's also good. It's got all these variable valve sizes. Oh, this has got the oversized valve, and see, it's 950. There you go. Thought that was a defective valve, too.
It'll get to 950 when it heats up.
When it grows up,
Yeah.
it's big time. Okay, so what's 950 minus 175? It's that, yeah, that's exactly what it is.
775?
It's going to be this one right here, that's what it is.
Probably guessed wrong too.
I wasn't listening. Did you say something?
Nope, I didn't actually.
It's a 932. That's not going to work. Okay, this one only goes down to 68.7. So 950 is what?
Minus 175, you said?
We can go either take 150 and go 25 extra, you can take 200 and come back up 25.
You're going too fast for me. My brain doesn't calculate numbers
So
that fast.
95, 85, 75.
775.
Then you go up 25.
8. Yeah.
775.
Yeah, that's what I said the first time. Cool. All right. I'm glad I was right.
Were you right?
Yeah, but I doubted myself, so I guess I was wrong.
So what size is the exhaust valve?
775.
Oh, 750.
750.
So that's going to fit right in the intake port when we're done hogging this pig out.
Nice.
Okay, so we're going to go into 75. We have 687. We're good to go. So we can use this holder, but not in its present location. We have to adjust it. Okay, so I'm going to go up here so we can drop it on top of the nice gasket surface here.
I like to live life on the edge.
It is on the edge. How'd you know?
It's a wild guess.
Okay, what number you want?
750?
You going to adjust it for 750?
You want me to do it?
You can make me do it.
Yeah, you could do it. You have it in your hands.
It's in my hand. Let me do it.
Probably do it faster than I will.
Okay, there's 750.
I'll spend 30 minutes.
No, 700, excuse me.
You'll have a 30-minute video of me just adjusting it.
You will? 50. 70. 5. 75, say.
Oh, so 775. So I was right the first time.
Unless I'm off by 25. I've done that before. Dude, don't crank that when you make it tight.
Rather be under than over.
Don't crank that dial to make it tight. Turn this knob, not that knob. I got confused.
Happens to the best of us.
This one's got the dead bug in it though.
That's extra.
Came in for a soft landing, got killed. Cutter. Starved to death in this building. Ain't nothing eating in this building. Okay, what number we want now?
775. Or 750.
Obviously, I'm off by a lot because I'm at 25.
Sure you know what you're doing over there?
No, I don't. I'm off by at least a turn. How many turns am I off by? At least one. That's probably where I turned that dial over there and screwed it all up. Got interrupted.
That's what it was.
Yep.
It's always an excuse with you, isn't it?
Old and dumb.
Hey, you said it.
I'm at 773. I told you it's off by a turn. I was testing you to see if you'd catch on, but you didn't. You failed the test.
Because I'm young and dumb.
Yep.
Right.
So we're not going to let you into the head machine now because you can't handle it. Stop at the vertical mill. That's only because it was pre-set up
That
for
was
you.
preset, exactly.
It's like a new machinist. It's, well, it's really good. Just hit the button.
Cycle start.
What if I can't find the button? Yeah, you got a problem. There you go. Better go sit down for a while and figure that one out.
Yeah, all I know is reset auto cycle start.
Okay, this is going to cut this seat way the hell out. Feel how much that port is in there though. Look how much that port's on there cut.
Oh shit.
Put your finger in there. Look how deep that thing is.
Oh damn.
What are you filming? You don't know.
You know what I'm filming.
Get out of my way. You're bothering me.
Wow.
Making me screw up again. Oh geez, I just put it out. cutting. It looks like about the same amount of material that's coming out of the seat as before. Imagine that. Ooh, look at the difference. Yeah, it cuts some aluminum out. Not much though. See the difference? Port's still way bigger than the seat is. You have to cut that thing out another 100,000 to make that thing clean up. They overhogged it. They got carried away when they ported. Just stay there, you'll see how much they cut. Cut some aluminum.
Yeah, you see a little bit, but not too much.
Yeah, just right there, dude.
Yeah.
A little bit on this other side. More than that one. That one didn't cut anywhere in aluminum, did it?
Yeah, a little bit. There's a small little lip.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, they overcut these ports a little bit. They got too carried away. Need bigger valves, bigger ports. A few more cubic inches, we'll be fine. We're not doing that on your bike, are we? How big's your bike?
93.
Oh, you're a little bigger. Yeah.
Well, what's that one gonna be?
We can make yours slightly bigger. Get more velocity through your board. But you want a low RPM motor though, so you want higher RPM, so keep it small. Unless you want to pre-plan for that bigger cam you were talking about, then we'll cut it out right now. Alright, we're going to reset this now. One valve. They dig around my pointer, weren't they? Who did that? That's where it's going to be. A little conservative on the valve size. Might have to come back and work on that again. Looks like a 3/8. Alright, which cut are we going to use?
You tell me.
Number 3 or number 4?
I'd say number 3.
Number 3. So you want the 60, whatever that says. It's an SC9-40. You want that angle? Or do you want the SC10-40?
That one looks better. Let's go with that one.
What's better about it?
It's not as abrupt.
Abrupt?
It's more mellow.
See angles in here?
Which one would you go with?
They're not much different. They both have the 5-degree difference on top angle, it looks like. No, this one has a more top angle change.
Yeah.
So this one will cut in the head a little bit better, which will match your screw or your custom heads over there.
So I was right the first time.
This one here is more for a full-on deep Hemi. We were making a big valve bowl because there's only 5-degree difference between the top cut and the seat angle. This one over here, it's got more of an abrupt change right here coming out, so there's probably a 10 or 15 degree variance between the two, probably 10 degree. So instead of being like that, it comes down a little flatter. And you got these ports that are cut way out with that stupid ass relieving they did. So this would be match up better than that. So kind of flow around a little bit better around. If you didn't cut the whole side of the chamber away, you would want less of a change to keep it more even. But yours disappears on the back side, so you do a little more angle change. It's minimal, but it's different. This one also has more of a radius on the inside, but most of that we cut away already. You made the hole bigger.
So you get the hole bigger, yes.
The bigger the hole is, the less that inner cut is, because it's not there. They don't tell you that in the book. Now, this should already be centered. This is already probably set up for it already. Yeah, this one looks like it's already set for what we want. Pretty damn close. So this is either set for a Sportster, which is 15 thou smaller, or it's set for the right size. So I think that's a little small, so this might be set for a Sportster. But we'll find out. That's why we do light cuts to begin with. There's our seat at way down there.
How uneven that was at first.
It was. It's more even now. We cut on this side, not that side. There's enough to lap. It's only about 50% there. Okay. So see if it's going to be good or it's going to be too small.
A little small.
Yeah, we'll see. Cut on with the other cutter.
Trusty old wooden stick.
This one looks better though. Blends in pretty good. I don't like doing a whole much. Oh, what a shocker. Non-performance applications. Man.
Ah. I need to cut my nails. Looks nice. Pretty even all the way around. So you want it to
It's way on the inside.
be closer to the outside then?
Yeah, it's on the back cut.
Yeah.
Back cut's way in there. Well, look at the difference between that valve and this valve.
Yeah. That one's, yeah, those are closer
So,
to the edge.
You want to put an oversized valve in the motor? And then we'll move the seat out to be an oversized valve.
Mm.
Because right now it's sitting way on the inside. So you move it out and be an oversized valve. Take advantage of it. Alright, so I gotta move this cutter out a little bit. Actually gotta move it out quite a bit.
It's what, like 20 thou?
Yeah. Quite a bit. Told you it was gonna be off.
Practice makes perfect.
That's why you do it. Like cuts.